Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen sample program for Swing. There we have added different components, for example text field, labels, buttons, checkboxes, radio buttons. Also we have seen how to handle events. So for that we have seen how to add two numbers. Also we have seen Swing calculator program. There we have added multiple buttons. Now, in this video, we will see how to add image in our Java Swing frame. So there are various options to add images in Java Swing. For example, by using paint method, you can add image. By using JPanel class, you can add images in Java Swing. But best way to add image in our Java Swing frame is by using Java label or JLabel. JLabel is a class. So normally we use JLabel class for adding labels, but this JLabel class can also be used to add images in our program. So here I have written this blog post, and here I have provided program for adding images. I will provide link of this my blog post in description box. From there you can take this code. So first we'll run this code, we'll see the output, and after that we'll discuss it. So it is the same code which I have mentioned in my blog post. We will run it. So first we'll compile it. So it got compiled. Now we will run it. Now look at this. So just I make it bigger. So label text field, label text field, label text field, label text field. Then these are the two buttons, and here I have add one sample image. One image I have added there. Though this image is not linked with this, but for example, I have put image here. So in this way, we can add label in our swing frame. So how to add this button image on our frame by using label? Here we will see. Look at this. So already we know how to use labels. So normally we put text in label. Now instead of text, now we'll put image in label. So see, this is a JLabel class. So I zoom it out. Look at this. This is a JLabel class. In the same way, how we create labels, we'll create object of this JLabel. Then we need to add image there. So for that we need to create object of image icon. Image icon is a class. Image icon is a class. We need to pass object of image icon here. So normally we write some text in JLabel object. Okay. So we pass some text to constructor of JLabel, but here we are passing object of image icon class. Object of image icon class. Here, so in to constructor of image icon, we are passing one parameter. So here we are passing one parameter, and this parameter is object of buffered image class. Okay, buffered image is a class. We have created object of that, and that object we are passing in image icon. Okay, while creating object of image icon. So to constructor of image icon, we are passing this object. Object of what? Buffered image. And here to create this object we need to call this read method. Okay, and for how we are calling this read method, by using image io class. So image io class we are calling read method, and here we are passing by using file class. We are opening that file, jpeg file or any png, any file, jpg file. Here you can open it. So this is the file. So here I have put that image in the same directory where I have written that code. So if I have put that image in another folder, so here we need to pass the address of that file, jpeg file or any file, image file. So here we are passing that address to file object, and in this way we are creating object of buffered image class. Then that object we are passing to image icon class, and that we are passing to JLabel. And okay, so I am providing link of this blog post in description box. From there you can take this code. So as you have used image icon class, buffered image class, file class, we need to add packages for that. So look at this. This is a buffered image class, so it is provided by this package. Then we have used file class, so it is provided by this package. And again we have used image IO class, so it is provided by this package. So in this way, we can add image in our swing frame by using JLabel. So see here normal JLabel class we have used, we have created object, and by using that we are adding image on our frame. And normal just like we add other labels on our Java swing frame, in the same way we are adding that label on our frame. So see, this is a pick label is the object of JLabel, and we are adding that label on our frame. But now this label is referring to the image, so that image will be shown. This image will be shown on this frame like this. This is the output we are getting. So here we have added this image on our frame by using JLabel class. I am providing this link, blog post link in description box. From there you can take this code. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.